new Karan's World. So today I'm going to be doing a really cool experiment for you guys. So today I'm going to explain you how the water cycle works and a little experiment to show you how the real thing works with those things that you get in, for example, your mug, your cling film, your bowls, the salt, everything there. So let's get started. But before that, if you don't want me moaning like this, you have to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, Karan's World, because I am assuring you 101% and even more that it is totally worth it. And also, don't forget to share my channel to all your family and loved ones, and like all my videos, and press that bell icon so you get notified when I make these awesome uploads. So friends, before we start, I just wanted to hold you on your tracks for just 2 seconds of your time. So basically, I've started a new Instagram account and the username is right here. Search it up in your Instagram, follow me, it will be the best. Thank you, let's get started. So friends, before we start with our short experiment, I just want to tell you how the water cycle works. So it's basically when the seawater is evaporated by the cause of the sun's heat, and then the water particles go up, and then they are mixed with dust particles and gas particles, and then that creates our clouds. And then with the clouds, they get bigger and bigger from the evaporation process, and then when they just burst out, and that's what gives us rain, hail, snow, and loads of other things that happens in the world. So that's our mini water cycle tutorial. Now let's get started with our experiment. So friends, let's get started with our experiment. So basically, I'm going to talk you through what these items are representing. So this bowl is going to be around, like, not even going to be half amount filled with water, but it's just an example. So we've got our boiling hot water here, and that's going to be poured down here, and that's going to be representing our ocean. And this little bowl is going to be representing our land, because as you know, there is more ocean than land. And then we've got the cling film that's representing our lungs, and that is representing our clouds, and the ice is what is representing our cold atmosphere. So what we are trying to explain here is a rainy day. So let's get started. So I'm just going to pour the boiling hot water into the bowl. One thing I forgot is that we are going to put the salt to represent our salty water, because you know, in oceans we only have salty water. So it's just going to be a little amount. Yeah, that's it. And then we're just going to mix that together. I'm trying to make it as real as possible. I know this is nowhere near as real, but I'm just trying to make you believe that this is a rainy day. So this is our land, and that's what I'm going to be putting down here. So our little bowl is meant to be empty, and we just put it down and stuff it through the water. And then what we are going to do is we've got our cling film, and then we're going to cover it above the top of our ocean, and there's not meant to be any gaps for air to come in. That's there. And then we're going to put our ice. So we're going to put it around 4, but it depends on your ice size. Mine's not that big, so that's why I'm putting 4. Otherwise you can put other amounts. I'm putting 4 here. Putting 4 here. And here. I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes, and then by then our ice is gonna have melted a bit, and then I'll tell you the different processes after. See you then. Hello friends, welcome back. So it's been 10 minutes. So as you can see, our ice has melted on our clouds. So let's take our ice away. So I'm just gonna get a bowl and take the ice away. So our ice is, again, if you don't remember, it is the cold atmosphere. And so it doesn't matter if you've got some water there, it's meant to be like that. And then we're gonna gently take our clouds out. It doesn't happen in the real world. I'm just gonna show you. And friends, here is our rainwater. So there's not much of it because I only did around like 4 spoons. So 4 ices. So if you can see the ice melted through and it's gone through and reached the land. So that's what we were aiming for. And now I'm going to tell you the processes. So when we put our clouds and our ice over and left it for 10 minutes, the process of the, like, for example, let's talk it as rain, because the ice melted and water came through. So it's rain. And the rain came there from the process of precipitation. And so the precipitation is what made us have that little droplet of water into our bowl. And then, if you come closer, come here camera, on the edges of our ocean bowl, we have little evaporation of water here. And that's called condensation. And the condensation was made by the heat of the warm water mixing with the coldness of the ice. That's how the evaporation residue came over to the sides of our bowl. And my brother's here. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
What are we making today?
Hello. Hello.
Clouds, yes, clouds. It's really cool, right? So getting on with the video, like I had said, that's the process of the water cycle. And this is what happens in the real world. So today is sunny, and this sun is what evaporates the water from the sea, and that's what gives us rain. And this is my water cycle video. And this is my water cycle video. And if you liked my video today, please do make sure that you subscribe to my channel, Karan's World. I highly recommend it. And also, don't forget to like and share my channel to all your family and loved ones. And click that notification bell so you get notified when I make these awesome uploads. See you in the next one. And don't forget to follow my Insta. So friends, before you go, I just thought I could give you some 2 cool facts about the water cycle. So, one fact is that, did you know that plants give out water and that they put it right into the soil? And that actually is called transpiration. And transpiration occurs mostly in hill stations and forests because there are more trees there. And another thing is that there is this process called sublimation. And sublimation is basically where, in like cold countries, for example, Antarctica, in that country, it's basically where snow doesn't melt to water to evaporate and disappear. It just goes away. Into the atmosphere, and it happens mostly in cold countries. So yeah, thanks for listening. Bye.
Bye.